Hey YouTubers, Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel. Thank you for watching. If you're joining us from the previous video where we removed our gas cooktop, glad to have you. We bought a brand new 36-inch cooktop. It is a Frigidaire brand. The box is here. Let's open it and take a look. Alright YouTubers, here is the box. We are glad to have you. We are continuing our cooktop projects and we are going to open up the box and see what's inside. First thing I recommend, grab an X-Acto knife and don't cut too deep. So there's the cooktop. There are all the knobs. And you've got the plates here, it looks like. And this is a 36-inch 5-burner cooktop. And continuing with the unboxing portion, just carefully pull all this styrofoam up and out and set that aside. And it looks like the tape is there holding the plates in place in the styrofoam. Nothing on the bottom. Set that aside. And we'll continue all of this. So there it is, right there. I think what we'll do next is pull the entire cooktop up and out. And there's the owner's manual. Let's go ahead and pull that out, read it, and get familiar with it. And inside the bag, this is your pressure regulator. This is your conversion kit. A few additional parts. These are some brackets. And it looks like we have a bottle of stainless steel cleaning polish and conditioner. And that's always good to keep our cooktop clean and shiny. And the additional things, owner's manual and the instruction manual is in there as well. And after pulling out the Frigidaire All About the Use and Care of Your Cooktop manual, as you can see here, here is your installation packet. Read this, become familiar with it, learn about the actual cooktop, and here is the installation booklet for step-by-step installation procedures. Back to the cooktop, again down below. Inside those boxes below are all of your grates. And I'm going to pull this out and gain access to the lower boxes. Alright, making progress. Cooktop is removed. I used these styrofoam pieces that came in the box to support it up. And back to the box. And we will pull out each of these, open them up, and take a look. Pretty nice. And there should be two more. 1 and 2. These boxes out, I am noticing 1L for the left side, 2R for the right side, and the first one we pulled out is the middle part. Back to the box and verify every portion of all styrofoam pieces have no additional parts inside, because there's always indents like this that can store things like a power cable or cord or additional parts. So that's it. The entire box has been opened, cleaned out, and as you can see, there's not many parts to this cooktop. From here, we are going to install our brand new cooktop. And in the event that you need help and guidance on installing your new cooktop, a link scrolling above, click on that. It is a step-by-step video that shows you how to properly, carefully, and safely install your brand new gas cooktop. And the very last thing I want to do, verify that all parts are present and you're not missing any parts, as well as inspect all parts as well as this entire cooktop and verify nothing is damaged. That's it, YouTubers. Now we know what's inside. We've got all the parts, all the instructions, and we are familiar with everything. Now it's time to install that new cooktop. Scrolling at the top of the video is a link that walks you through the step-by-step process on how to properly and carefully install that gas cooktop. Definitely check that out. Hey, from here, do us a favor below the video. You will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely go to your settings, turn on your YouTube notification bell. Once you do that, every video that we upload, you will be notified. You will be able to stay up to date with us, and that will be awesome. Hey, we'll see you at the next video.